For rain, and we're going to get some, right, Taylor?
Yeah, we crossed our fingers, and I'm telling you, this worked. We're getting some rain, and we're getting a lot of it, actually. It's going to be a very substantial storm system approaching starting on Sunday night. But as we take a look at Avila Beach, very stark contrast from even Cambria, who already saw the effects of that approaching system with increased cloud coverage and gloomy skies. But Avila Beach here, it was beautiful. 8 to 5 webcams showing you a lot of people out and about today, enjoying that last kind of final day before the rain gets here. So let's watch it approach. We'll see it make landfall as we head into Monday. So that's going to be pretty widespread throughout the entire state of California. But as the time we head into Tuesday, it's gone. So it's going to be here pretty fast, and it's going to drop a lot of rain on us, or a good amount at least. We need it. So compared to the last system we had, that was very, very weak compared to what we're seeing with this one. We'll watch it come a little bit closer in a zoomed in version. We won't see it hit land just yet, but this is Sunday around 1 p.m. as we get closer and closer to Monday overnight, midnight into that 1 a.m. hour. That's going to be the sweet spot where we start to see a lot of rain start to come down. But right before this happens, ahead of this cold front, we're going to see our winds pick up pretty rapidly. And I'm talking 20, 30, 40, even 50-mile-an-hour gusts. And then as that rain starts to fall, we'll see things intensify. So we do have a wind advisory in place with this storm system, but let's time out when the rain is going to start. We'll see around 3 p.m. on Sunday. You could start to feel a little bit of misting in a couple of areas, mainly those south-facing beaches, so down by San Ynez and then up on the north part of SLO County. So Cambria feeling it first. They're also going to be the areas that probably end up with the highest accumulations. Now, Monday, 12 a.m., that's when we saw that system make landfall. So you're seeing things be more widespread as we head into those couple early hours of the Monday morning. We've got some downpour right here. This is moderate rain continuing throughout the first few hours of Monday. That's when we'll see the majority of that rain. It'll be consistent throughout the day on Monday, but the early hours is when we could probably see the heaviest rainfall. So taking a look at accumulations, we're starting to see it pop up again in Cambria, down in the San Ynez area. And then from 12 a.m., when we know that that's when it's going to make landfall, just in the next couple of hours, this is 7 a.m. We already have the majority of our rainfall, an inch in San Luis Obispo, over an inch in Cambria, almost an inch down in the Santa Barbara County area. And then by the time we head into Tuesday, when the end of that system, the entire forecast area at least has an inch according to these models. So we could get anywhere up to 3 inches, 4 in the higher elevations, and we're watching our snow elevations as well, because those could come down as our winds start to die down, because that's going to keep us slightly warmer for our higher elevations. But it's going to be very gusty Sunday afternoon ahead of this storm system. It's getting gusty. San Luis Obispo, Paso Robles, upwards of 25 miles an hour. Monday, 12 a.m., again, that sweet spot when it makes landfall, we've got even upwards of 30 to even 50-mile-an-hour gusts in a couple of areas. And then finally, we start to see things calm down throughout the day on Monday. Now, the advisory is in place until Monday, 11 a.m., and then we see our temperatures already starting to come down on Sunday in those mid to low 60s. We've got the low 50s on the north coast. We've got a couple of 60s in Rio Grande, Napomo, Pismo Beach, barely skating by at 61, and our Santa Barbara County area in the low to mid 60s. That 7-day forecast, as well as that rain, we could see some thunderstorms on Monday, finally warming back up as we head into the weekend, so short-lived, but we will see things make a bit of a rebound as we head into the end of the week. Dusty.